Understanding, I'm at your disposal, a friendly guide to English expressions. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere. I'm at your disposal. Understanding such expressions can add depth to your English communication skills, making your conversations richer and more nuanced. Let's explore what this phrase means, how to use it correctly, and some examples to help you incorporate it into your everyday English. So, stay tuned. When someone says, "I'm at your disposal," they're communicating a willingness to help or serve in any way needed. It's a formal expression that conveys the speaker's readiness to assist or make themselves available for the benefit of someone else. This phrase is often used in professional contexts or situations where one wants to show a high degree of politeness and respect. In professional settings, this expression is perfect for professional emails or meetings where you wish to offer your help or services. It shows a high level of cooperation and respect for colleagues or clients. In personal contexts, though less common, "I'm at your disposal" can also be used in personal settings to show a deep level of readiness to assist friends or family, especially in important matters. In a business email, should you need any further information or assistance, please know that I'm at your disposal. During a meeting, for the upcoming project, I want you all to know that I'm at your disposal for guidance, feedback, or any support you might need. In personal communication, during your move to the new city, I'm at your disposal for any help you might need, be it packing or finding a new place. If you're looking for other ways to express a similar sentiment without sounding too formal, here are a few alternatives. I'm here to help. Feel free to reach out to me. I'm available whenever you need me. Let me know how I can assist. These alternatives convey a similar willingness to help but can be used in both formal and informal contexts. "I'm at your disposal" is a beautiful expression that conveys willingness, helpfulness, and respect. Whether in professional or personal scenarios, using this phrase can help you communicate your readiness to assist others effectively. We hope this guide has been helpful in understanding how and when to use "I'm at your disposal" in your English conversations. Remember, practicing these expressions will not only improve your English language skills but also make your communication more polite and respectful. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.